Oh, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and assume we're all-time highs. Yeah. Yeah, fuck all-time highs, man.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing like the girl you ever seen before.
This is tragic. I really hope we can get like at least like a come back down to some of these gaps and fill them.
Looks like we're doing that now.
No, I'd like to close up this 5 minute. If we close up the 5 minute, then that gives me more confidence that we might get a retracement. But if we don't, I don't know. Doesn't help that my trading view chart is fucking delayed hella either. I wish you could see like wish you could see like the time till candle close on Top Step X. Get out, you little shit. You know, if we close this out and we inverse this 1 minute, there's probably gonna be a lot of people that are looking to go short. God damn.
Yeah, but we are at all-time highs.
Yeah, so it'd be very stupid for them to look for fucking shorts.
Technically, right now, the highest inversion PD array of the manipulation leg is the 5 minute for value gap. Yeah. So technically, when you inverse that, that's your entry.
Never in a million years, but I think to go short right here. If we had a bearish 4 hour gap and we're at all time highs, no, maybe. But let's see, I'm liking the push lower we're getting right now. And if we can inverse this and come a little lower to this next gap, I'd really like that too. That's a big ass wick on the 15 minute, I'll tell you that.
Mini? Yeah, you're right. Just no SMTs.
Yeah, no. Okay, nice. It's gonna be right here. would like to close this 15 minute as well and have this 15-minute candle turn bearish. That'd be nice.
I don't even know what I want. I don't even know what I want. Because I can't get a high time frame for right gap. I'm gonna have to adapt. SMT or something probably. Like a low time frame SMT, because I need something else now that's gonna add to my bearish confluence.
Still holding this fucking fair value gap too.
Yeah. Well, it's got 2 minutes, and it needs to fold or close in the 5 minute anyway. Anybody who trades inversions is going to be taking shorts when if their bias is short, which they could just be doing fib, a fib projection and going for a -2, or something.
Yeah.
Which is what I think you're supposed to do.
And our 50% retracement almost lines up super close to that next 5 minute gap. So that's honestly probably what I want to see it pull
The
back.
fuck was that? Oh. I sent my stream from yesterday to my buddy so he can watch the swing trade, and I left it running and I heard the fucking trading view. Or the trade evade, the like you enter a trade when your trade fills. Yeah, I was about to yell at somebody, bro. Bro, if one of you fuckers was in a trade right now, I was about to fucking unleash. But a tweak. No reason to be in anything right now. You shouldn't be in longs, you shouldn't be in shorts. Wait until the market tells you where it at least wants to fucking go. Right now we're bullish. We have no targets to the upside. We haven't swept liquidity, but we're respecting bullish PD arrays. So now there's some weird volatility. Watch this wick. I'm watching this wick on the broker feed and it's going nuts. It's tweaking. Yeah, we're disrespecting bearish PD array. It looks like we're about to go bullish and do one of the ripskis. Which is fine as long as we go 15 points.
This is a reminder. Algo is ready.
I know, bitch. I'm fucking on it.
Algo's ready.
I need to kill that reminder. It annoys me. I don't think it ever actually is. Dude, shut the fuck up. I've never, well, the only thing is I've never been in a trade, on my other accounts, and then, like, 'cause that's the only time it would ever be helpful, is the once in a blue moon when I'm in a trade at 9:45, which is not very fucking, not very, common. Especially lately, holy fuck. ES is ripping. There's your SMT.
Fucking NQ's going down.
5 minute SMT.
What the fuck?
Not friendly. Not friendly. This, honestly, it might reward the gamblers, though. All the aggressive traders are getting fed these last couple months. Holy fuck.
Bro, it's just been ripping. Pumpty, pumpty, pumpty,
Oh,
pumpty.
let's see, dude. I wonder if this thing will just rip another 15 points into nowhere.
Probably.
I fucking hope it does. If it does, that'd be amazing. I would be damn near past eval if it did. That the animal comes alive. And now we're looking so bad. Trans Am. Let's go check Franco trades so we can yell at Franco for not. I don't know. Maybe he's been documenting his trades this whole time. But I'm gonna click on this sheet. I'm gonna guess probably not. Franco. Bad Franco.
Bad boy.
You get the ball gag. Hey, every time you press buy, every time you press sell, dude, put it in the sheet. You better have a reason. And for your ass, you need a fucking row in here that says contract size, and then another row that says why I went with the contract size I went with.
I wanted to.
You should.
I wanted to trade with him.
Every single trade just says 5 minis, and then on the chart that's Franco's catching strays. I'm sorry, Franco, but then every single the chart next to it, every reason is just wanted to pass eval in one trade. That's the reason. We've all been there, Franco. It's just the problem is we've been there, and we know where that road leads. 5 minutes. You can talk, by the way, bro. I think this is the one where you can talk. I don't want to just take shots at Franco and then not have him be able to defend himself here. Oh, he's in chat. Oh. So you can talk too, dude. I don't care.
Factory. Okay, I don't care about news Top Step X.
Everybody take it off. If I had to run the odds here and say, yeah, this is probably going to run 15 points after it fills me on this, slim to none. I don't know, though. It is empty space. I'm going into the fucking void. So really, I have no idea. Are you in a fucking trade? What is this? What's on your chart? What do you have a premium discount thing on your chart? Oh, it's a fib. I thought you had an indicator. I don't know why. I saw an indicator the other day that some kid, I was like, hey, what's that indicator? I was trying to get the indicator for the daily candle, you know? I always see it, and I kind of want it, and nobody ever fucking, nobody ever knows what's going on with it. And then I'm like, hey, what's this indicator? He fucking sends me some random, premium discount. I don't even know what the fuck he sent me. Clearly he was running something else that I was not talking about. Needless to say, I don't use that. It's deleted.
Did you find the daily candle?
No.
Do you want it?
Do you have it?
Yeah, I used to use it. Holy shit.
Why don't you use it? God damn it.
I mean, because really, it's not, I guess it's just another nice indicator to have on your screen, but really it just shows you where the manipulation is, I guess. It doesn't really do much.
I was gonna say, it seemed more like a visual thing. Just nice to see, where... Oh! There's no way! I'm not even, my hopes aren't even slightly up for this one. There's no way this thing hits 15 points. No fucking way. don't even. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not gonna say that. 307.25 is the limit. 307. Wish I would have been in it when it did this little rippy right here. That would have been cool. I actually almost filled on that, but I was like, the line hadn't quite crossed yet, or we hadn't quite broken out. I should have my NASDAQ on. Well, never mind. That doesn't make any sense.
See, now if we can get like a pullback here and sweep up this internal low, then I would like to look for some type of, or not short, long. But I don't think we'll do that. We'll see.
Limit is in, bro. Why is it ripping so much right now? Please fill, daddy.
Oh no, there was a big rip right before market open.
I
too,
saw
for
that.
some reason.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, what the fuck? It wasn't news, was it?
No, we didn't have news.
Weird.
Well, we had it like an hour before market open at 7:30.
Yeah. Is that PMI or what?
Yeah.
Listen, I got a notification, I thought, for PMI. I can't remember though. The actual data for PMI not released yet, or what?
You didn't get that notification.
Hey, bro.
in top
Hey,
settings?
bro. We have PMI at 10.
ISM must have been. That must have been ISM I was looking at then.
You were looking at NFP. We had NFP this morning.
Uh,
NFP, hourly earnings, unemployment rate, unemployment claims. Yeah, we have, I'm glad I looked at this, because we have fucking PMI in 4.5 minutes. Probably right when I fill this order, and it's gonna fucking rape me. Dude, this thing's ripping right now, man. I'm like halfway to my fucking target, and it won't... Dude, come back. Come back to me. Come back, but like not that hard. Like, come back soft. 6309. News is
if we dump when PMI or when PMI comes out.
yeah,
if we
fuck
dump.
you, buddy. Fuck you.
I do. That's the only way we're gonna.
Let's
get
grab my
price
order,
action.
wick up 15 points, then we can dump. Because then I do want to dump. I'm not gonna lie. This sucks. I hate when we just. I hate just distributing into the void. It makes no fucking sense to anybody.
Yeah, it's fucking stupid.
You could use a trend line off like a daily profile and try and see where this thing's gonna break out to. You can't even really do that though. I'm not gonna lie. This is like. I don't fucking know, dude. We're in the middle of nowhere. We're not in Kansas anymore. Oh. Ripe and ready for this thing to fucking hum down to my...
Honestly, it probably will rip to the upside once the news comes out.
Well, everything else is bullish this morning except for our average hourly earnings, and we don't need any fucking more of that shit. Make enough money an hour, most people. Fucking inflation. 309.75. I'd like to get filled on this if we're gonna rip up.
Coinbase files for banking license with SEC.
What the fuck? How many people are in Coinbase?
A lot, I guess.
I guess. That ain't right.
Digital baking license, but why? Insured and attract customers, yeah.
Oh, Susanna, won't you cry for me? I come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. Please, Price, fill me. Oh. Dude, shut the fuck up. I'm about to eat your ass.
Don't tempt me out of your time.
Dude, this is gonna fucking open right as I'm filled. I hope it opens.
You know, and continue higher.
I hope it slams through my fucking stop loss so fast it slips and I lose every dollar I have in this account.
With Alpha.
Yeah. Alpha does have slippage every now and then. Tell you what, they're not perfect.
Do you? So is Alpha, they go through TradeOvate and TradingView, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Wait,
I'm using.
do they have micro scaling on TradingView?
Yeah.
For real? I'm gonna have to get
I'm
one
not
of
gonna
those.
lie, I think so. Oh my god, dude.
Those.
I hate it when it wicks out my order like dude! Sorry. Like, what the fuck was that? Oh my god, just like fucking thank you. Alright, 15 point rip to the upside.
Franco's getting ready to take the trade.
15
Franco, whatever you do, do not fucking take this trade. I
15
swear, bro.
points to the upside. 15 points to the upside.
Franco.
Dude, this is borderline gambling. The strategy
Franco,
says
do not take the trade, bro.
the strategy obviously is like saying, yeah, I need to be in this every day. But the fact that news is in 20 seconds. This is
It'll try to rip, but it doesn't. Yeah.
we have to hope that this rips straight the fuck up. If it doesn't rip straight up, if it goes down at all, I'm fucked.
Turn off your phone, Franco, right now.
Franco, you
Power
don't-
the bitch off.
You do not want to be in this. I'm so retarded, dude. Oh my god, we recovered instantly. We didn't even fucking boot. Can we get a booter, please? Booter, booter, booter. Let's hit a booter. Let's hit a booter. Let's just boot 15 points.
It's just ripping, bro.
Boot, boot, boot. 15 point boot. 15 point boot.
Crazy. Yeah, wait till next week, bro. We'll get some shit.
15 point boot. 15 point boot. 15 point boot. 1/3 of the way there. 1/3 of the way there. This
Did
is
it
so
kill you?
fucking dumb. Yeah. Yeah.
You probably will. Honestly, I think you will.
Yeah, but that's so far, bro. It's 9 points.
Yes. I don't know. I feel like 9 points isn't a lot.
It's not like insane, but like it's still pretty good. Still pretty healthy. Let's see if I dicked around like I did yesterday. I was holding my nuts in my hand for like an hour yesterday. I was in that trade for over an hour. I took a shit, came back, and I was still in the trade. I thought that trade was a goner so many times, bro.
That trade yesterday. I don't know. Did you take a trade yesterday, Joe?
Yeah.
Did you win it?
Yeah. Huh. Oh, it's exactly what we forecasted, so it's not even bullish news.
Yeah. This is such a...
Dude, we're so... whenever we're at all-time highs, I always feel like we're so fucking overextended, too. Like, this is just so dumb.
I know.
$200 in risk right now. If we go and hit this, if we hit this TP, we will be essentially past eval. And then I can't...
That's good.
Yeah, well, except for I can't trade my fund in the rest of the month. So it doesn't matter if I pass it today or if I pass it on the last day of the month. It doesn't matter. Matters nothing whatsoever because I can't trade this strategy if it's We're kind of ripping. I'm not gonna lie. I can't trade this strategy if we already hit two trades this month. You know. See, this is why I wanted to actually fucking. If I would have passed that fucking eval on Friday like I wanted to, today would have been I would have been up like fucking $1,500 from yesterday. I could have pulled a cute little payout. Well, actually, I probably need a couple winning days first. It's volatile though. I'll tell you what. It's moving a lot faster than it did yesterday. La 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 la. I'm waiting for this thing to skyfall. I don't think it's gonna do 15. There's no way. I would be surprised. I was surprised yesterday. I would be more surprised today. We are so overextended. Who is buying this? Is my question.
I don't know.
Oh. Like, we just have fair value gaps and people just buy, I guess, to the moon with no targets, no nothing. They're just just buy this bitch up, I guess. Who gives a fuck? Is that the deal? Dude, we hit 13.
Actually,
We hit 13.5 points yesterday, and then we dropped like 9 points. And then we went back up, and it was fucking around at 13, and then we dropped. And then we went back up, and then we were fucking around, and then we dropped. I was 1 point from hitting TP yesterday, probably like 5 times.
damn.
It was sad. My balls were getting tugged. I'm not gonna lie to you, I am gonna be a little hype if we hit this, but I'm trying not to get my hopes up, because I don't know, I just don't. This is such a 50-50. This feels like a gamble. I have no idea. Obviously, I know at some point in this month we should be fine. We'll pass eval. We should. But it's just so random, you know? Price action is just random. Could be a good month, could be a bad month. There's no just play the strategy out. What happens happens, you know? I'll tell you what though, it's not very settling just floating $800 in profit. I don't like that, man. Like, the swing trading life is too stressful for me. I'm gonna go bald. I want to get this to the point where I'm used to it and I have the data behind me and I can just forget about it, you know?
Yeah.
Dude's just pushing. ES is kind of dicking around, but NQ is like... Dude, NQ has been the more aggressive sibling yesterday, too. Like, NQ was just ripping yesterday while everybody else fucked off. Drink it if you can. I don't know. I kind of expect this to hit stop somehow. We have a good buffer now, but... This is not ideal when I think about the trades that are gonna hit, you know? What are the odds on some random Friday we just run like another 15 points after already overextending through the morning? Dude, yeah, we're like 42 points high right now in the ES. We are so high. We are overextended a high fuck on EX. On both of them. That was a quick rejection. Yeah, dude, we are so... That news this morning pushed us, and then we're 203 points up. 230 points up right now on NQ. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like we need a hard retrace. And I'm kind of fucked here. Because I don't want to... I'm not going to close, because I know if I close, it'll hit TP. and it's just not in the rules to close. So I tried the other way where I dicked around and did like the 1 to 1.5 strategy. That strategy sucked dick. So we're doing this now. Better or for worse? Boy, we are stalling out. What we need a bunch of people to try and sell this right now so we can go up and get another push. You know what the funny thing is too, yesterday, it hit my, I think it actually kept ripping a little bit, but I'm pretty sure it hit my target and then just kind of fucking stalled out. Like, let's see. Oh, never mind, it did keep going. Where was the close on this? I need to update my chart. 8, 5. I did 23 points yesterday before the close. Holy shit. That's crazy. That's healthy, I'll tell you what. I could have held for 20 yesterday. I would have been a mess all morning. I would have been stressed out. For some reason, even when I'm on an eval, it is the premise of swing trading is just stresses me out. Moscow. I just don't think I'm built to be a swing trader, man. Of course, I don't know. Maybe I just need practice. I need some more practice. Because when I used to swing trade SMC, like, it was fine, but I traded more volatile indexes, so like it was pretty clear and they hit pretty quickly. I was rarely in a trade for more than half an hour, you know? Like maybe like extendos, but with SMC it wasn't all out in one TP. It was like you hit you hit profits and targets.
Trace is wild. I know.
Ooh. Moscow. Vi flyser handyman, vicious slices. This is such a prank too. Of course, you never know. It could be actually stalling out, or it could just be trying to bait people into selling. NQ is like ripping though. NQ has just been a steady grind upwards, and ES has just stopped. The craziest thing yesterday was like at 2 or 3 points throughout the day, ES just would randomly rip like 6 points in profit. Like it would just randomly fucking rip. Well, if you want entertainment, then I'll share mine. Accountant got 6 figures. It's the 4th of July. It's the 4th of July. This is our Friday. Keep in mind, boys, with no trades tomorrow. I would get on to try to trade the algo, but I know that it won't even break out of the range. Like, I won't even get a 15-minute breakout. My swing trades, I need a breakout of the 15-minute range, and I know damn well I'm not getting it.
This is an
Bitch, who
algo
do you
trade?
love? Yeah. You think I'm fucking retarded enough to take a 1 to 8 at the highs?
I don't know.
That would be crazy. I did kind of snipe this entry, but like I'm not I'm not that fucking dumb, dude. That would be so wild to buy these highs. I personally, I'm surprised this is even in as much profit as it is right now. In my mind, we should have dumped long ago, but this is that all-time high action where we just do random shit.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'll see y'all boys Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday.
You don't know, dude. It could jump. It could dump. It could dump.
Like, taking my fucking chances with this bullshit.
You know, you could pull a Franco and buy it here.
No. Franco, I swear to God, bro. I don't swear to God, but I swear if you trade, dude, bro, you can't be trading this shit.
Oh no, dude. Franco's just catching strays today, dude.
You can at the end of the day you can do what you want. I'm
That's
not gonna
true.
control you or say what you can and can't do.
It's just an
but like
awful decision.
it's a terrible it's a terrible decision and it's gonna hold you back from actually, becoming to be able to trade on your own consistently.
Right.
And actually be profitable with it.
It is one thing if you wanted to take the entry down by me, but the other thing was my entry was 20 seconds before news.
Yeah.
Bitch, who do you love?
Alright. I'm done.
Damn, dude, you left us with
All
that?
right.
What the fuck was that?
I burped.
Sounded more like a belch. Fucking ripping one out of the deep end, eh?
Alright, I'll see y'all guys.
Alright, bro, take it easy. It's gonna be another day like yesterday, boys. Fucking dicking me around. They'd love to dick me around. Here we go. If we fucking skull through this 5 minute, we're probably fucked. But if we get reactions off this 5 minute, we might send to the next level. That would be cool. Bitch, who do you love? 400. Making a really tiny 15 minute too. And we might wick out the 5 minute. We might hit stop loss. I don't fucking know. I know if we go deeper than this 5 minute, my stop's probably hit. The reality of this swing trade, at least the way that I do it, is just watching your trade go like $1,300, $1,000, $1,400 in profit, and then it just hits your stop loss. And you're like, damn. There's $1,000 I'll never fucking get back. That might be what happens today. I was up $1,000. We had $500 to go. We were 2/3 of the way there. I'm not gonna lie, if this hits stop, I might leave. I just don't think there's anything here for me. Well, if it hits stop, maybe I could look for shorts, but like, it's just, I don't fucking, dude, there's so much shit here. Yeah, I don't know, man. Just kind of a Lazy grind day. I only hope that we can hit stop or target before 11 o'clock, so I don't have to go and think about this when I eat breakfast and then going about my day. That's what I hope. I really just don't want to have to think about this horse shit when I'm fucking trying to enjoy the rest of my day. Granted, it's going to be a thing. I'm gonna have to deal with that sooner or later because it's part of this swinging. When you swing like this, sometimes you're in trades all day. Back-to-back wins would be really cool, though. I'm not gonna lie. That would be really sick. That would be dope. I would be a little hype if we could get that. I'm not gonna lie. About as hype as I can get trading. You might get a, whoa, let's go. You and me, Franco. You can unmute yourself if you want to talk, bro. I don't care. Gives me something to do other than look at this fucking 5-minute bounce around and up, down, up, down, up, down. So what's your account at, Franco? You're muted if you're talking.
Yo, hello.
What's good, bro?
Yo, what's up, bro?
You in this or no? I'm hoping
No,
not.
no.
Okay, good.
No, I'm not in.
Yeah, good man. That would. It's awesome when it works. I look like a hero, but dude, this was like 20 seconds before news. This could have just as evenly fucking dumped and like. This could have slipped like crazy. I could have lost way more than I wanted to.
Oh no, I'm still the same. Like I'm like 300 up.
300?
Yeah,
That's not bad.
I still need a locker though.
Say a locker? What'd you say?
I
Lock
still
in.
need a long way to go.
I got you. Yeah, I mean it's 300's not bad. You're pacing my eval. Dude, it's doing the same horseshit it did yesterday with these even fucking highs. Holy smokes, these even highs are annoying. We just disrespected all this bearish PDRA and then we fucking go and we make even highs. Crazy work. Yeah, you'll get there, man. You just gotta hang in there. Hang in there, bro.
Yeah.
Trading's a grind, dude. Trading's a fucking grind. Take it from me. It's not for the mentally weak here. Especially if you're fucking taking Creightonized trade. If you're taking this trade or Creighton's trades, these are more like, they're a little more on the swing side where like you definitely have to be patient. You have to wait. You snipe the market. It's a lot more waiting, and it's very, very easy to just come back and hit break even or come back and hit stop. You know, you're trading for the month. You're not trading for the day. Like I could lose this, and I'm trading for the month. I know that some point in this month, I'm probably gonna go back and hit a couple more trades that are 15 points, and I will be fine. I will make money. You know. Whether or not this one pushes there or not is irrelevant. You know, there's no reason to go and fucking go and do some crazy shit because this trade, goes up $1,400 and then just rockets down, right? There's no point. Just got to trade the plan. Make the plan when you're not in the market, and then trade the plan when you are, and then just trade it out, bro. We are 6 points away. It'd be really cool if we could hit this, though. I'm not gonna lie. That'd be a sweet way to send into the weekend. But what happens, happens, man. Sometimes you'll go on Fridays and there'll be great days. Sometimes you'll go on Fridays and they'll be fucking awful. And you'll just have to move the fuck on. This isn't a Friday, it's a Thursday, but it's basically our Friday. It's all about how can you control yourself, right? How can you set yourself up to trade for tomorrow? Especially if price action's being weird. You know, now more than ever, it's important. It's important that you just stick to the rules. Boy, this might dick us around all morning. I'm not gonna lie. I just don't know if we're gonna push anymore. I have no idea. There's nothing up here to target. There's just nothing up here to target at all, bro. And I feel like that's not gonna do, you know, 2 day. What are the odds it goes 2 days in a row and fucking just 2 days back to back slamming fucking, you know, insane TPs? What's the odds, right? Not very high.
Yeah. So
We had
yesterday
back-to-back wins last month.
That trade won yesterday.
What'd you say?
Oh, that trade won yesterday? The one that you were like putting on to?
Yeah. Yeah, it did. It hit $1,500 when I came back.
That's crazy.
It was a nice trade. Risked $200 to make $1,500. And this is the same way. If we hit this trade, I basically pass eval. I think I'll be like $100 or $200 away. But see, if I pull this out now, then I really fuck with the system. So if I pull this money out now and this hits the target, then I've basically fucked myself for the rest of the month. You know? Because I'm fucking with the data at that point. And so I'm taking partial wins and then I'm taking my full losses. You know? You can't do that. Light it
Not gonna
up.
lie, I would be taking those types of risk if I could just buy like another funded account.
Yeah, that's true. This is I have 2 evals and 3 fundeds right now. I would have liked more of a push from that one, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, this is like such a slow grind now. Nobody is buying this. We're like barely grinding up here. Like I really want some volatility to just hit this TP so I can go enjoy my day, but it's just so volatile right now. And it's not volatile on the way up. It grinds up like a point and then slams down. And then recovers and grinds up a point and then slams down. That's been what it's doing. It did it all yesterday too. Stressful shit to just sit through, I'm not gonna lie. But here we are. Honestly, I don't even really want to watch these trades. Like I should, if I was doing what I should do, if it wasn't 10:30, I would leave. I wouldn't watch these. It's not good for your mind. It's never good to just watch a swing trade. Everybody's shorting this, I guarantee you. That might be the reason it goes up, who knows? We just gotta try and vibe. Try and vibe it out, man. It says we're up 44 points. What's the percentage change on the day? 71% or 0.71%. We're almost up 1% on the day. I wonder if anybody else is in longs here. I'm willing to bet there's probably quite a few people in longs. Just using their extended fibs and whatnot, you know? And all their voodoo horse shit. Probably people that go for more than just 15 points. like to say the hourly looks good and shit, but like it's just there's no way to tell. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth bullish 15-minute candle in a row. Yeah, I don't want to watch this. 10:30. No more news. News wasn't even bullish. For some reason, every time I leave, though, price just drops, so I'll stay here and watch it. It apparently likes to be watched. Likes to be watched, doesn't like to be recorded. You can note that because it does not like to be recorded. Don't take your phone out and record this shit or it will drop immediately. Oh, hell yeah, dude. California boys? Jeez, we stalled completely here. Like your stepson in the water. $10.30. We should get a move here. And it looks like that move is going to be down. I'm not going to lie. It looks like it's kind of setting up to go down, but if it's going to do it like it did yesterday, it might just randomly rip when everybody thinks it's going down. So, who really fucking knows? All I know is that I have to sit in this trade for another 5 points, or it's just nothing, you know? Or it means nothing to me. Your skin so hot, it'll melt your popsicle. I'm fresh, fierce, got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. Dude, there's really nothing here. This is like really, really dead price action right now. Like, this is so dead. Big man ass hanging out. Get a push, wick down, get a push, wick down, move up slightly, wick down. Move up a half point and then drop 8 points, recover and then move up tick and then drop 10 points. It's so fucking, dude. Look at this, there's like 5 dojis in a row. What the fuck? Now put your hands up. I don't know. I thought this was setting up to go down, to be honest with you. The price has just been so weird. Boy, for a minute there, I thought it was gonna snap. It's so strange. It just goes down, wicks, and then just rips, and then wicks, and then drops 8 points, and then wicks. This price action would be horrible to try and trade like any other strategy but some random swing trade where you jump in along the train somewhere and then just try and ride it out. I don't know, I guess I don't really feel anything. Richard Mille cost me about an Aston Martin. Door? Too much money at the store? Let's go. Let's rip this fucking high with some ass. That's not it. Millie costs more than your car. Oh, oh my god, dude, this is so just taking forever. I'd like to think I'm protected for at least a somewhat deep retracement here. $10:30, right about that time when market does something. And there's no fucking, there's nothing to aim for, no targets. It's like, it's literally, you're just, hey, do the banks want to push it another 5 points or not? This is either going to be manipulation or this is going to be distribution. We're going to see. I wonder, I don't know who's crazy enough to sell this top like this, but somebody probably is. Improvise. And NQ just hit the 5 minute. See if it recovers. This could be us. Money make the girl go down. Money make the world go round. Money make the world go round. Oh, all right. 25 minutes and I'm out of here. Gotta say, please. Yeah, I know what you want about till we fall. Big bad wolf, it's a full moon, y'all. Big reactions off of fucking NQ right now, but ES is pushing. Oh, did we inverse it? I think we equaled it. Money make the world go round. I don't want to look at the 1 minute. 1 minute's kind of crazy, but I do like to know if fair value gaps are getting inversed or not, you know? Or respected. Spin the bottle. Spin the fucking bottle. Spin the bottle, spin the fucking bottle. Be the reason why it's empty, spin the fucking bottle. Oh, dude, I need to respond to some TikTok fucks. There we go, let's see it. Come on. Look at that. Ripsky, 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 let's go. I hope I don't sound crazy. Alright, now, as long as this isn't manipulation. We gotta hold this and we gotta push this. Money make the girl go down. Good. It's good when the girl go down. Might actually go here, dude. Money on the flow. 3 points to go. How much will we distribute? I'm alone. Opposites right now, dude. I think he's ripping. Two points. 2 points. I could have used a buddy in here. I forgot I can't even have that on my mic.
Yeah, my mic's been off this whole time, but we hit TP, so I'm dipping. Later, skaters.